Masquerade say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana katika kutanka kuyapa nino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chungwa karoga subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Zimbabwe, tavigira nyaya ya Bulawayo Mayor wa David Coltart habo varukunzi he snubbed the Independence Day celebration muri Zimbabwe hanzi vachi protest vachi accuse the government of disrespecting and undermining his office muri Zimbabwe zvikunzi David Coltart vakashamisa vanhu vazhinji mushure mekunge vakaonekwa vasipo ma-VIP stands during the Independence Day celebration iyo yakaitwa ku White City Stadium ku Bulawayo muri Zimbabwe. Vakabuda pa X vakaposta vachitaura vachiti the office of the mayor was not invited to attend the celebrations, since that's why vasina kunge vaenda muri Zimbabwe. Vakataura vachiti I'm not attending Independence Day celebrations in the White City Bulawayo in the city of Bulawayo today for the reasons set out in the following message sent to councillors. While a general notice has been sent out to councillors, the office of mayor has not been invited by the government to attend. This is a basic courtesy which should be extended to the office, not me personally. As such, I've also been advised that in recent years mayors were snubbed at Independence Day celebrations to such an extent that they no longer attend. While I hope this treatment of mayors has ended, I'm not prepared to allow it to happen again. Vakataura ivo vachiri a few weeks ago I was invited to a function at a business expo where the office of mayor was snubbed by the government at the event. I registered my protest and left. I'm not prepared to allow the office of mayor to be denigrated again. I have made sure that at events I have control over appropriate government officials are invited personally, and I expect that the office of mayor will be respected in similar fashions going forward. Zvakabuda zvitaurwa na David Coltart muri Zimbabwe. Sakutaura kwatruita pane ZANU PF affiliate inonzi ZANU PF Patriots yabuda ichiaccusa the Bulawayo Mayor David Coltart muri Zimbabwe since he killed vanhu vakawanda, the indigenous people, before the country attained majority rule mu Zimbabwe. The ZANU PF Patriots yaireacta to earlier announcement yakapiwa na David Coltart yekuti he would not attend the independence celebration nekuda kwekuti government yakafaila kurecognize the office of the mayor. So this ruling party affiliate yakaposta through its official X page ichitaura iyo ichiti David Coltart did well by not attending independence celebration. He killed our people, we defeated him and others Smith regime soldiers. He is still bitter. We did not want bitter people at independence events today. Achikomenda zvakare on the same issue Jonathan Moyo vakabuda vachitaura vachiti decision yava Coltart yekuavoida this event and yakataura volumes akati one day muri Zimbabwe vakabuda vachiti zvakaratidza is deep-seated hatred of Zimbabwe's independence. Vakabuda zvikanzi reports that David Coltart, the partless Bulawayo mayor, yesterday snubbed Zimbabwe's Independence Day celebration in the city that he purports to lead, apparently to protest what he alleged is the disrespect of his office by government. Belie that the fact that this is a case of an ex-Rhodey who fought in vain for and with Rhodesia to oppose and prevent the making of the nation state of Zimbabwe that Zimbabweans and outside the country were commemorating yesterday. The snub spoke volumes not only about Coltart lingering Rhodey politics, but also about the fact that 44 years since Uhuru, he has not come to terms with the fact of Zimbabwe's national independence as a permanent historical and existential reality. It is telling that Coltart did not only publicize this snub of Independence Day commemorations as a big story and a major media event, but he also proved his deep-seated hatred for Zimbabwe's independence itself by making sure that he did not organize a separate or alternative event for the residents of Bulawayo who follow or believe in his politics. He is a mayor of Bulawayo who did not want Bulawayo to have independence celebrations of any kind yesterday. In this connection, it is also notable that Coltart's snub of Independence Day was representational in that it was emblematic of the views and interests of his white constituents in Bulawayo who, like him, were conspicuous by their absence from the independence celebration. But of course, the people celebrated in their numbers going forward, now that he has made this snub of Zimbabwe clear and loud on the one and only one special day that matters the most as a symbolic expression and affirmation of Zimbabwe's sovereignty. Coltart and his ilk should not be surprised, and they should not complain when he snubbed in practical terms and even booted out of the office. Zvakabuda zvichitaurwa navaJonathan Moyo muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. Ndofunga ma-CCC MPs anosanganisira na Richard Tsvangirai pamwe chete nana Charlton Wende vakaonekwa variko ku this event yakaitirwa kwaMurambinda, pamwe chete na the CCC acting president vaUsman Ncube, pamwe chete na the CCC interim secretary general vaSengezo Shabangu vakaonekwa variko kwaMurambinda uko kwaitirwa the independent celebration muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya yataurwa iyi about David Coltart kuti he was once a soldier weRhodesia. The fact yekuti haana kuatenda this event yakaratidza kuti haana love for Zimbabwe anzi haana basa nenyika yeZimbabwe. Muri Zimbabwe anzi aisada kuti Zimbabwe iwanikwe ichigaina independence. So anzi asada come to terms with the fact yekuti Zimbabwe yani independence. Tisingazive kuti munoiona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga mu comment section. Muri Zimbabwe ndafunga vachamisa vakabuda vachitaura ivo vachiti independence, Zimbabwe is not independent kana ma-citizens ayo asiri happy. Muri Zimbabwe vakawanikwa vasina kuatenda this independence, zvakare havana kunge vaiatenda asi the last time pakaitwa independence musi wagore 2022 Nelson Chamisa pamwe chete nema-MPs nema-councillors bato Citizens Coalition for Change vanga vari present muri Zimbabwe. But this time ndofunga nenyaya yekuti vachamisa vaitaura vachiti Citizens Coalition for Change yakainfiltratwa neZanu PF havana kunge vaatenda this event. Saka tisingazive kuti munoionawo sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section kuti zveshuwa Coltart haadi here independence for Zimbabwe kana kuti tiudze zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section.